Au siècle, les Sœurs de la Visitation installèrent leur couvent Sainte-Marie-des-Chênes. On your right, you can see a yellow building. It's here that in the 17th century, the nuns of the Visitation settled their convent Sainte Marie of Chains. Pourquoi le nom de Sainte-Marie-des-Chênes? Ça fait un peu groupe de métal. C'est parce qu'à l'époque, des chaînes étaient tendues entre les deux rives de la Saône pour empêcher les bateaux de faire venir de la marchandise frauduleusement dans la ville de Lyon et pour taxer tout le monde. Why the name of Sainte Marie of Chains? It's because before chains were stretched between the two banks of the river to prevent goods from being smuggled into the city at night, and that way they could tax everybody. Maintenant, ce lieu sur votre droite, c'est les Subsistances, un endroit dédié à l'art et à la culture qui abrite l'école des Beaux-Arts de Lyon. Now, this place on your right is the Subsistances, a place dedicated to arts and culture which hosts the School of Fine Arts of Lyon. Vous avez un bâtiment orange avec une rangée d'arcades. C'est ici qu'au XVIIIe siècle, Claude Bourgelat a établi la toute première école vétérinaire au monde. À son époque, c'est lui qui a changé la façon dont nous prenons le Conservatory of Music and Dance. Et sur votre droite, au niveau de la colline, vous avez le Fort Saint-Jean. Il fait partie des fortifications de la ville qui date du XVIe siècle. C'est aussi la tour de guet nord de Lyon. On your right, you can see the St. James Fort. It was part of the fortification of the city from the 16th century, and it was also the northern watchtower of Lyon. Et maintenant, c'est l'École nationale des finances publiques. This St. John Fort was after used as a prison, and now it is the National School of Public Finances. Des pans avec des rubans en métal torsadés noirs, c'est l'œuvre d'art de Pablo Reynoso. On your right, you can see benches with black metal twisted ribbons. It's the work of art of Pablo Reynoso. Pablo Reynoso, lui, ce qu'il aime bien faire, c'est les bancs. Il en a fait partout et des très originaux. Là, ici, les bancs que vous voyez représentent en fait les cordes des bateaux qui s'amarraient ici à l'époque et aussi les fils de soie que les tisseurs de the silk threads of the silk weavers of Lyon.
We're crossing now another bridge. Ah yes, there's someone who's living there. The bridge.
Devaient monter dans une embarcation attachée à un câble qui les amenait de l'autre côté de la rive, ce qui était loin d'être pratique. Until the beginning of the 19th century, we had very few bridges here in Lyon. Passengers had to take a boat that was attached to a cable that took them at the other side of the river, which was far from being practical. Et ensuite, nous avons Marc Seguin, le petit-neveu des frères Montgolfier, lui aussi inventeur, qui crée les premiers ponts suspendus. Vous en avez un face à vous. Les ponts suspendus, en plus d'être très jolis, sont aussi solides que ceux en pierre, mais en beaucoup moins cher. Marc Seguin, the little nephew of the Montgolfier brothers, inventor as well, created the very first suspension bridges. You can see one of the first ones in front of you. Suspension bridges are very cute, but they are also very sturdy as the stone bridges, but are less expensive. d'inspiration pour faire le personnage du grand chef dans Ratatouille. We have some famous chefs here in Lyon, and the most known is Paul Bocuse. He is one of the most known people from Lyon in the world. He even was one of the inspirations for the great chef character in Ratatouille. Alors il a son restaurant à 2 étoiles au guide Michelin à Collonges au Mont d'Or, un peu plus au nord de Lyon. Mais on a aussi à Lyon ces 4 brasseries du nom des 4 points cardinaux. Et vous en avez une sur votre gauche, c'est sa brasserie l'Ouest. We have the restaurants of Paul Bocuse that have 2 Michelin stars at the north of Lyon in Collonges au Mont d'Or. But we also have his 4 brasseries in the name of the 4 cardinal points here in Lyon. And you can see his brasserie l'Ouest, the West, on your left.
That one.
Son plat le plus connu, ça a été la soupe aux truffes noires, s'il vous plaît, VGE, qu'il a fait donc en l'honneur de l'ancien président Valéry Giscard d'Estaing, qui lui a décerné la Légion d'honneur. His most famous of the city. They took what was called the Blue Tramway of Vacation that took them from Lyon to Neuville and was going along the Saône. One of the stops was where you see the hotel on your right. D'ailleurs, au niveau de cet hôtel sur votre droite, c'est là qu'on avait Lyon-Plage, puisqu'avant on avait le droit de se baigner ici dans la Saône. Maintenant c'est formellement interdit, malheureusement, à cause de la pollution déjà. Les gros bateaux qui passent et des courants très forts. Bon, il y a swimming here. Now it is forbidden because of the pollution, the big boats that pass by, and also the very strong currents. We still have people that do it, but it's not very recommended. Un événement en particulier, c'est là en fait la Calure et Cuir qu'a été arrêté Jean Moulin, le leader de la résistance française. Il a été arrêté par Klaus Barbie en juin 1943 pendant la Seconde Guerre mondiale. On our right, we have now left the city of Lyon for the commune of Calure and Cuir. It's known for one very important event. It's here that Jean Moulin, the leader of the resistance here in France, was arrested by Klaus Barbie in June 1943 during the Second World War. Tony Garnier worked for many years on a project called the Ideal City. It was a place for sufficient in energy that was based on industry and that was we think it comes from the Latin name Insula Barbara, which means wild island. A bien passé quelques jours sur l'île Barbe. Il est très malade, mais bizarrement, quand il repart, il est miraculeusement guéri. We have many legends about Barbe Island, and it's a myth from the 5th century you can see. One of them is that Louis XIII, the king, came to spend a few days here on the island. He was very ill, but when he left the island, he was miraculously cured. That is true is that Charlemagne the king actually came on Barbe Island. He loved its beauty so much he decided to build a library, and unfortunately it was destroyed during the religion wars. L'abbaye du 5e siècle et la très jolie propriété privée que vous voyez qui termine l'île sont protégées aux monuments historiques. D'ailleurs, une grosse partie de l'île, private property you see that ends the island, are protected as historic monuments. Most of Barbe Island is private, and except some special events, it's not possible to visit it. One of the only ways to admire the island is to take the boat. du bateau, vous avez le clocher de l'abbaye qui date de la fin du XIe siècle. C'est l'un des rares monuments romans de la ville de Lyon. On your right, at the front of the boat, you can see the abbey steeple. It's one of the only Romanesque architecture, one of the only Romanesque building we have here in Lyon. It dates back from the end of the 11th century. Pour certains d'entre eux, ceux que nous voyons sur la gauche. Mais il y a des bateaux maintenant qui sont transformés en bar, en restaurant. On a aussi un cabinet d'avocats sur un bateau et même une église. The boats you see that are on your left are former merchandise boats, no longer considered profitable, but are sold and then bought to be transformed into houses. But some of them are bars, restaurants, we have a law firm on the boat, we even have a church. Built. It was created by Pierre Bossan. He gave us a complex building that is inspired by an Algerian mosque. D'ailleurs, maintenant, la basilique de Fourvière, c'est une... On a un journaliste qui a dit qu'elle ressemblait moins à une église qu'à un éléphant couché sur le dos. Fourvière is loved by every people in the city, but it wasn't always loved by everybody. In the 19th century, we had a journalist that said it looked less than a church and an elephant on his back. In the 17th century. Today, in some parts, we have the school of La Martinière, where Saint-Exupéry fait en briques qui date du 15e siècle, la construction de l'église. Now, on the left, you can see a steeple made of bricks that is from the 15th century when the church was constructed.
We are done the boat tour and then it's wet. It's wet. It's wet. Sorry. We are the one who go out first. It's done. Still a lot of people waiting. Au revoir, merci.
Au revoir, bon week-end.
It's done. A lot of people now.